Mr. Anthony was a hewisi drummer, a man whose rhythms echoed through the night whenever treasure hunters gathered for their secret rituals. He was the father of 3 children, a humble father with a small paddy field and a modest home. Yet behind his quiet life lived a sharp mind and a generous heart. Anthony was clever. Anthony was kind. He guided Amal and the magic teacher through deep forests, cooking warm meals under the whispering trees, sharing laughter beside flickering fires. He was their compass in the wilderness. But darkness was watching. When Anthony chose courage over fear and spoke against the treasure hunters and their cruel sacrifices, they turned on him. They deceived him with a drink, and under the silent sky, they drowned him in a lonely canal. His story should have ended there, but the universe had other plans. From beyond the stars, mysterious beings descended. They recovered Anthony's lifeless body, a vessel without a soul, and carried it across the cosmic night back to Amal. Inside Amal lived another presence, an ancient soul, a warrior from a forgotten age. Amal called upon that spirit, and that ancient soul answered. It entered Anthony's body, and in that moment, death was undone. Anthony rose again, not as the man he once was, but as something greater, a being of strength, a guardian of worlds. With the wisdom of ages and the power of reborn hero, he became a guide, leading Amal beyond earth into the vast unknown, into space, into colonies among the stars. And his legend had only just begun. To uncover the mystery of Enkidu, the ancient soul within, and the destiny of Anthony, read The Magic Boy, now available on Kindle at Amazon.